Hi there, and welcome back to part 2 of the video series. I'm glad you're joining me, and I hope you're having fun making abstract backgrounds. In this video, you'll see how I start a page using water-soluble pastel painting sticks. When dry, the pastels create a soft pigmented mark. I'm just making marks randomly all over the page with each different color that I chose. When water is added to the pastels, they soften and they start to look similar to watercolor. When I dip the pastel into the water first, it creates an even deeper pigmented mark, which is really helpful when you want to add more value to whatever design you're making. The Lyra water-soluble graphite sticks are some of my favorite mixed media supplies, and they're excellent for laying down an abstract underpainting and mark making. Painting with my fingertips is a fun way to make marks too, and it helps to add more organic shapes to my backgrounds. Here I dripped fluid acrylic straight from the bottle onto the page, and I used my brush to make marks, and I just continue this process as I build up the background. To make drips, I add water to the paint and ink, and then I tip the paper in the direction that I want the drip to run. Intentional drips are a way to add interest to your abstract artwork. I hope you're enjoying the video series. Part 3 will be released soon. Until then, you can click one of the videos on the screen to see more. Thank you for watching.